2021 Toyota Camry. Starting to put a lights over here. How to fix this light? So I just took it out everything, and they have screws 1, 2, 3. So we'll go under the bumper, and if you see it, there's enough space to put it on the light. So it's like putting it over here, make it fix. So it will go over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's I make a shortest driver right now to penetrate inside, because I have a lack of space over here, and that's fog lamp is coming over here. That bolt, that will, there's two came over here, right? Normal with the small screwdriver I can use it, but this is why I'm making it, because we have a model over here, so I have not enough space to tight it. So that's what I have to make it. So I'll do it like this, put over here, tight it. Once I tight it, I'll show you. Okay, this is final after fixing. And so wires are tucked in, everything. Put a relay, fuse, that goes over here, ground and power over here, and this is for daylight running and flasher. Wires are going from here, here, goes here, going over here. Just make a zippy ties, cross it from here and over there. I just take it out this bolts to make it easy, so that will be going back, and meanwhile okay, so now final result. Can you open the parking first? So it's look like, and if you go for a hazard, yes, shut it off the whole hazard please. Now the beam, headlight on, that's how it comes. And now hazard again please. Yes, matching, everything is good. Okay, done. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This is final product. Hazards. That's good. For a high beam, you're coming in the video. Low beam. Okay, that's good.